Is your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy fixes to get your phone working again in minutes. Stay tuned and subscribe for more tech tips. Why it happens. This issue can occur due to software glitches, failed updates, or low battery. Let's fix it step by step. Soft reset. First, try a soft reset. Press and release the volume up button, then volume down. Then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wait 20 seconds. If it doesn't work, move to step 2. Charge and retry. Plug your iPhone into a charger. Show footage of plugging in. Wait 10 minutes, then repeat the soft reset. Use a reliable charger like this one. Recovery mode. Still stuck? Connect your iPhone to a computer and enter recovery mode. Show visuals of iTunes/Finder. Follow these steps to restore your device. Note, this may erase data, so back up regularly. Tips to avoid issues. To prevent this, keep your iOS updated and avoid low battery during updates. Check out iFixit for repair tools. Fixed your iPhone? Drop a comment and let me know. Subscribe for more fixes, and check out my video on speeding up your iPhone next.